Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how to install and use TV Bro browser. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we're going to be getting TV Bro browser. I'm going to be doing that with the Play Store application. So if you remember on the last video, you saw me open the Play Store, and I'm doing that again. I'm going to apps. I'm going down to see your apps. It's at the top of the screen actually. So apps, see your apps. You see the Google Play Store popping up here just because it's the most recent app I've opened from here. But in your case, I'm showing you the entire process so that you could find the app if you do not see it popping up. So I'm going the long route. I'm going to go down from system apps and I'm going to scroll down to the right to the bottom. So I'm looking for an app that says Google Play Services, Google Play Store, because that's the app I want to open, and right here you find it. So click on it and click on open. That opens the App Store. The focus of this video is the TV Bro browser. So I'll need you to go to the top bar where you can find the search bar and just search for TV Bro. So TV Bro is a browser, and it's actually it's a nice acronym. The first time I heard this, I thought it was TV Bro, like bro. Actually, Bro stands for browser, so it's the TV browser. It's a browser that is highly compatible with TV devices, and right there you see me click on it. It's installing. Give it some seconds to install, and immediately it's installed, you can start using it to browse, surf the internet, watch TV, TV Bro browser. You can watch movies on there. You could do research and stream. So it's 3%, 4% and climbing. Just give it some seconds to download and I'll open it up for you to use. Right there you saw the app complete download, and the installation process was smooth as butter, automatic as you like it. And now we can open the application. So I've just clicked on open right here. You could also open the application from the dashboard and have the TV Bro or TV browser opened up. So you see it has a very simple interface which is very friendly with a mouse. I'd like to point out that it's even more friendly with the remote. So it is very compatible for TVs and suitable for that user experience. So if you have a remote control, just with the click of the right arrow button, you can head over to downloads, you can head over to incognito, settings, and here you can input a query. So if you want to stream, or maybe you just want to search for the word streaming, you could use this keyboard to navigate, and you see that the browser interface is extremely easy. Getting to the top bar for putting in a search prompt does not really require a lot of moving of a mouse and navigating tirelessly. Just with a few clicks, you get to the search bar, and that's how you put in a search. I just want to show you the search results. You see this button right here, you just have to use it to be able to tell, but it has a feel to it. The cursor is lively on here. The app is really optimized. So right there, now it's verified, and you see the results for the streaming search. So this is how the browser presents. You can use the mouse to navigate, and if I just go back one step with the back button on the remote, you can see the full layout. So this is settings. You customize the settings here. Here's for incognito mode. This is the download button to find all the downloaded content on the browser. Here you can set page on favorites and look for the favorites here. Here you can find your search history, and here you can put in voice commands. So navigate to the bottom and you can find the X button, back, left, the zoom in and zoom out buttons, and even the translate buttons. So this last button here takes you back home, and that is it. Short and concise. The TV Bro browser. That's how you download it, that's how you install it, and that's how you use the browser. So if you found that one insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. DaveTech is going to produce more content just like this.